Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Friday, the 9th of August. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, since yesterday there was basically no major data released. It was a slow day in the FX markets. We'll just jump straight into our chart of the day. Incidentally, yesterday's chart of the day, we did produce the inside candle, but this morning we opened slightly outside of that range, which basically means it was null and void, so the setup was not complete, so we basically move on. I did have a look at quite a lot of charts this morning, and there's nothing there right now with a setup which is ready to go. So what I found is as follows. I found Aussie CAD on a daily time scale, and this particular chart is trending really nice in a downward direction. We can see that our highs are getting lower and our lows are also getting lower, and I'm indicating that with my arrow. So what I'm naturally looking in this type of pattern is I want the market to reverse back, preferably somewhere in this hot zone that I've drawn in, and once we do get towards that hot zone, if we can produce a price action reversal pattern in that region, well then basically that would be our setup, and we would be able to take a trade in continuation with a trend in the downward direction. So this is the nicest chart that I have for us this morning. It's not a setup right now. Just add it to your hot list and let's monitor it. It's the Aussie CAD on a daily timescale. Okay, what's happening in the session that is about to kick off? We have this morning at 9:30 locally, Governor Lowe will be speaking for the RBA. At 11:30, they will be releasing a monetary policy statement. Again, that's locally for Australia. Then at 6:30 this evening from the UK, we have the GDP numbers, manufacturing production, and the preliminary GDP numbers all due to be released at 6:30. And finally at 10:30 this evening from Canada, we have the unemployment rate and the employment change job numbers due out. That pretty much wraps up for the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday on the Daily Call. Bye for now.